Welcome to Gardening for Beginners, a three-part series where four plant parents from different parts of the world answer basic questions about gardening. If you are new here, hello and welcome to Fall for Foliage. My name is Mary and I've been attracted to plants since I was young, but I started really falling for them in 2019. In this series, I've invited some of my wonderful plant friends to help me answer some basic questions about gardening. Make sure to check out their YouTube channels and Instagram accounts. I'll link them in the description below.
Hi, my name is Bhima. Name of my channel is cutecactuspot on YouTube and on Instagram. My plant interest started 6 years ago. Back then I started with orchid. However, my summer of 2019, I did my first propagation. From then, I now have a small collection of my indoor plant, and recently my favorite plant is Monstera.
Hi guys, I'm Rosey of Rosey's Greenery. I am a plantita from Quezon City, Philippines. Well, I've been a full-time plant mom for almost 2 years now. And I started my YouTube plant channel last year because I wanted to show to the world the beautiful plants we have in the Philippines. Plus, I do love video editing. So please do check out my channel. I'm sure Marie will provide to you the channel link in the description box below.
Hi everyone, my name is Myra from Just Myra. I would like to tell you guys that I'm not an expert of taking care of plants. Mainly I do plants collecting because to get away from the outside world, because there's a lot of things going on around, and you know, this is my getaway to relax myself, my mind, and ease out and forget about what's going on around. And I call it my little therapy place. So yeah, and I've been collecting plants for probably, I got serious probably like 3 years ago, and I have not shared in my YouTube since I started collecting plants. It's just like gradually I got crazy about sharing it because I've seen a lot of people enjoy looking at plants, so I'm one of them. So that's why I decided to share plants collecting and sharing in YouTube. And also, yeah, I've been loving plants since I was a kid, and not only like indoor plants, outdoor plants. I also like to do gardening, like vegetables, and I get to enjoy, you know, eating it, because why not? It's save us a lot of money if we do plants, vegetable from outside.
This week, we're going to answer the question, what is the best advice you could give to a beginner plant parent?
If you are planning to go buy a plant for your home, the first time you need to think about the light in your room, bright, low light, or direct sunlight, because all the plants are different, so they all don't suit with the same light. And decide which plant you are going to buy, and do research before you go to buy a plant, and learn how to water the plant, and buy always a healthy plant. And if you love the plant, and plant will love you back.
Best advice you could give to a beginner plant parent? Well, number one, do your research, okay? Know the conditions at your home, the light and humidity and the air circulation you have indoors, and you know, also research about the light and water requirements of the plants you're planning to bring home, okay? And also the plant care journey will always be a learning process. No one could tell you how and when to water your plants, since we have different conditions at home. You have to feel and listen to your plants, okay? So good luck guys, and love plants to plant love.
I would say plants is like having kids. So before adopting or bringing plants in your home, be sure to check your time. Do you really have time to take care for plants? You know, a lot of people you know, depending what is your work situation. Are you a type of person that go out overseas a lot, travels a lot? So if you are that kind of person, I would suggest not owning a plants, because plants need, you know, time to, you know, need someone to water and take care, making sure, you know, it's getting the needs that they needed. And also, you gotta know your house lighting condition. You can't just bring plants that needed a lot of sun in your indoor. So you have to make sure you know the plants you're bringing inside. Let's say low light plants, make sure you have a condition for low light plants. Let's say you have bright indirect plants, that's what you gotta be doing. Make sure you have some doors or windows that provided good lighting that sufficiently give to your plants. And do a research. Make sure you research what type of the plants you're bringing home, not just buy it and then bring it inside your home without having to research your plants. And another tips that I would recommend is ask question. There's a lot of nice people around that you can definitely ask question regarding how to care for your plants. And yeah, there's no dumb question, you know. It's always good to ask question than pretending you know everything. So yeah, that's my tips and my suggestion if you're beginners and want to bring plants at home. I hope I could answer all your questions, and I hope this helps. And good luck if you are deciding to start bringing plants indoors and taking care and be a plant mama and plant papa or plant tito or plant tita, or become a crazy plants hoarders. Thank you. Nice to be here. Bye.
My advice would be connecting with your plants and listening to them. They will tell you if there's something wrong, so just listen. Also, it's best to join a plant community and learn from each other. I've learned a lot from my plant friends, and I'm so happy I've met them. So grow your plant friends and interact with them. Just like what Myra said, plant people are kind people, so don't hesitate. Give this video a like if you got value from it, and make sure to check out Bhima, Myra, and Rosey's YouTube channels and Instagram accounts. I hope you enjoyed and got some value out of this Gardening for Beginners series, and if you have any more questions you'd like to be answered, just comment down below. Happy gardening and keep on falling for foliage. I'll see you in my next one.